How to block internet access for any app on your Samsung device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. And in this video, I'll be simply showing you all the genuine steps regarding this. That how can we even just do this thing in your Samsung mobile phone if you have your Samsung device. So how can you do this? Unfortunately, Samsung devices do not offer a built-in option to completely block internet access for an individual application. However, there is an alternative method you can do. Open setting on your Samsung phone. Now, navigate to the apps manager of your device and select the app you want to restrict internet access for. Tap on the data usage. On some models, you might see mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now, here you will see the options to turn off background data, turn off a Wi-Fi, and turn off mobile data. You can simply do this thing in your phone and keep in mind that this method restricts background data usage. The app might still be able to access the internet, so it's not very accurate you can do. Some essential system apps might not have the option to disable background data entirely. So you can use third party applications and you can use separate user profiles for doing this thing or to block total data for an application on your Samsung device. So this is all about the video that how can you simply do this thing on your Samsung device. If you have any question, any query or any confusion regarding any topic, so just drop it into the comment section.